years of exclusivity, during which period FDA cannot approve the same drug for the same designated orphan indication. There are several exceptions to this rule. Number one, if the applicant with orphan drug exclusivity can't provide an adequate supply of the drug to meet patient needs, FDA can approve a second drug. In addition, if the company with orphan drug exclusivity consents to the approval of a second applicant, FDA can approve that applicant. The other way that a subsequent applicant for the same drug for the same indication can obtain approval of its orphan drug, notwithstanding the 7 years of exclusivity that applies to the first applicant, is to demonstrate that its product is clinically superior to the first approved orphan drug with exclusivity. And clinical superiority can be demonstrated in one of three ways. The first one is greater effectiveness, and in order to do that under FDA's regulations, you would typically have to do a head-to-head clinical trial of your product against the first approved orphan drug. The second way is through greater safety, and generally FDA would not require a head-to-head clinical trial. For example, if you could demonstrate that your second product had a lower frequency of serious side effects than the first product, you could get approval on the grounds of greater efficacy. In addition, FDA considers recombinant drug products to be inherently superior to plasma-derived products. And finally, the third way to get approval and demonstrate clinical superiority is to show that your product, the second product, provides a major contribution to patient care, with emphasis on the word major. And the one example FDA gives is if the first approved orphan drug is an injectable product and the second product is taken orally, that would be considered to be a major contribution to patient care and would establish clinical superiority.